Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Right now, stock movers, a loaded day here, had 6, 7, 8 stocks to talk about. John Tucker chooses out here with the podcast, chooses out Tesla. Let's go to the research. Barron Trump, 6'7". Dad, can I borrow the Tesla? You can't get in it, Barron, because I'm 6'5" and I can't get in a Tesla. Elon Musk, 6'2" tall. The President of the United States, 6'3" tall. John Tucker, here's the headline. Trump considering getting rid of his Tesla.
Oh, no.
Guys, why can't we all just get along? This is like Peyton Place, but you got to pay attention to this because it's the most actively traded stock and its market cap. Shares rising in early trading and most active. Musk did suggest he's open to making amends with President Trump, easing the tensions after that feud erupted in the public war of words yesterday. So the head of Tesla and SpaceX agreed with a user on social media that he could use a cooling off period, take a step back for a couple of days. Later, in a separate reply to Bill Ackman, he said he could make peace for the benefit of our great society. Musk responded that Ackman was not wrong. So Tesla shares again up in pre-market trading. The stock had plunged 14% yesterday, and that wiped off billions from Musk's total value, his personal value. That was the second biggest decline in wealth in a single day. The first was Elon Musk back last year. Anyway, let's move on to next. Lululemon Athletica.
Oh, you're really touching them all, John.
Yeah, second straight disappointing quarter. This follows concerns that rising competition, new tariffs, and a shift away from yoga pants derailing its growth plans.
She's just not doing this like Lisa.
How many yoga pants does she have? The retailer projecting sales in the range of $2.5 billion to $2.56 billion for this fiscal second quarter. That's actually below the average analyst estimate. Lululemon also forecasts quarterly profit well below expectations, and they're also trimming the earnings outlook for the full year. The worsening guidance, at least to one analyst, feels like death by 1,000 cuts.
Next.
And Broadcom,
yes,
the chip supplier. This is all very negative this morning. The chip supplier to companies like Alphabet and Alpha delivering a lackluster revenue forecast for the current quarter. This suggests the AI spending frenzy might not be as strong as some investors anticipated. The outlook does signal that investor expectations for the AI-fueled growth run were a little too aggressive by Broadcom, and that has been quite a run for that stock since the beginning of the year.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.